McPherson from the agency, and have I got something a bit unique and special for you. I'm just here on an acre at 35 Noon Drive, so let's have a look what it has to offer. After walking up the 80-metre concrete driveway, you'll come to this gorgeous barnyard-looking shed that measures 20 by 12 metres and also has high clearance roller door. Now, this is not your usual shed. It's actually classed as a 1A livable dwelling and is fully fitted out like a house. There's nothing not to love about the kitchen fit out in this bougie house. I absolutely love the galley style kitchen and the way it connects to the outdoors. In the past and look how good we are. How's this for a master suite? Suspended on a mezzanine floor with its own little Juliet balcony, it really is the perfect parents' retreat. So guys, there you have it for 35 Noon Drive in Inverness. If you'd like to know more about this one, please do not hesitate to contact me, Anna McPherson. I'd love to talk to you.